Okay, guys, this is my first video I've ever made on YouTube, so let's get into how to make a Lego fidget spinner. So, one of these, you'll need this. It's a circular Lego piece with a hole in the middle. You'll need one of those. Then I have another circular, got jumped in. I'll need another circular Lego piece like this. Looks exactly like that. You'll need two of those. You'll need 4 of these 2x3s. Then you'll need one. You'll need one of these. It's completely crossed. It'll go in those other ones. And you'll need 8 of these 2x4s. Don't know if you can see it very well. Okay. So we will need here. You guys, let me set it up here. Okay. So you are going to need this first, the circular hole. Then you're going to use these and put them right on the bottom. I am not making it any certain color today. I'm just slapping everything together. Oh, yeah. And we'll need one of these 2x3s. Then you put those right on top like this. Yeah. So you go there. Oh, thank you. Now, I am going to get this real quick. And then the rest of your 2x4s, you're going to need to put those right back on top. And yeah, I know you can't see this very well because I don't have a very well thing. Oh yeah, and you'll need to take this, like the cross piece, and put it right through the middle of this. And now you can tell it kind of spins, but it'll fall off. So that's what these are for. You put those, let me see, like that. You put them like right on top of that, like right there. That needs some sticking out. Now let's see. And now you should have your very own Lego fidget spinner. Thanks, guys.